this thing on. Baby shark doo 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 doo. You looking at me right, man? I look funny, man. Good evening. Today we're doing the low country bowl with shrimp, sausage, corn, potatoes, and seasoning. I'm going to take the sausages out because they're pork. They're pork. I'm talking to my fans. Letting them know today we're doing the low country boil. I'm from London. He's from London. You got me? You ain't got me. You ain't got me. You ain't got me. You ain't got me. I will be removing the sausages. Miller probably wants them. You know, she likes sausages of the pork nature. She indulges in the pork. We're removing the pork sausages from the basket.
Because it's disgusting. No matter how good it smells, you'll end up with high blood pressure. From the pig, the swine, he eats anything, just like the crabs we're about to eat, or the shrimp. But, what's the breath? You want to eat pork sausage? Huh? You want to eat pork sausage, dude? I'm taking them now.
You want to take your own sausage. I'm then going to replace them, I think I did too, with this sausage. I think I did too because I ain't taste the sweetness. You've led me astray on the sausage side of the game. That's unacceptable. Why you just not telling me that?
Oh, my hand froze.
The doctor said, chopping on the bag. It takes different strokes. Okay, the boil comes with 2 of these packs. I've already added one to the pot. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and I'll get back with you shortly. Things smelling good. I done bring it up to a boil. Got it boiling. About to throw that bag in there, you know what I'm talking about? About to drop that bag in there. Miller say it smell like it's spicy, you don't know. Drop that bag on the nigga, you hear me? You hear me? Drop that bag on the nigga, you hear me? Drop that bag, you hear me? That thing coming to a boil now, boy. That thing coming to a boil. I'll let it do its thing, marinate. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Shrimp look suspect, but alright. Take it out the pot, put it in here, you know what I'm talking about?
Y'all, at first, I was all for it.
A pack of seasoning out of the freezer.
Don't jump. Why you even up with that thing? Yeah, I'm skeptical now. These shrimp look real small, and them potatoes got done real quick. The corn hopefully should be good. All right, y'all, we finna set up the camera. I got the butter boiling because I'm gonna taste it without the butter first, but I know it's gonna need butter. I'm sprinkling the little seasoning in that they recommend to sprinkle on there. So we gonna I don't know. I don't know. The potato should be good with the sauce. I asked him to go get me some more shrimp, but he refused. So why you putting more of that in there? You trim.
You flipped it up.
Hold on, I'm trying to see it first.
Hey man, I missed out on my own sauce, man.
What you mean? Oh, yep.
Miller had to swap them out.
Oh, I did. Okay. Oh shit, I ain't flip it up.
Let's see what Costco talking about.
I think we fried enough. Okay, what's up, y'all? So we about to review this country boil. So Tim got this from Costco. What made you get this? It looked like it had the shell. It ain't had a shell on it.
I just seen it. You just seen it, Chip. What does it look like?
The picture finesse. The picture showed that it had like a shell on the shrimp. I think it's too bright to pick it up.
I replaced the sausages too. With chicken sausage.
You want a little plate?
You just eat out of here too. Ain't no shells.
So this is how it looks. He recorded making it, so I'm not gonna hold this whole bowl up. It's at the beginning of the video. I got his sauce that he makes. We got like some onion and butter in it. It's so good. So if this tastes nasty, it'll make it taste good. And I guess we're gonna taste it without the sauce first and then see how it tastes. We got Cal with us today. Well, we have him every day, but usually we try to record when he's sleeping. So we recorded a video earlier, but I changed my shirt because I didn't want to get my shirt that I had on messed up. What you gonna taste first?
Let me see.
If you was gonna have him, you should have had him something to eat, because you know I'm gonna taste the shrimp. I'm so ready to dip it in there. The shrimp not bad. And we use day season. The box comes with like a seasoning. It tastes pretty good. I thought before you cook the shrimp, they look a lot bigger than this. Like this looks so small. It's alright though. Let me see how it tastes. The sauce made everything taste good.
You know what I'm talking about?
It's also good. It tastes sauce. Taste a potato. This is a potato.
Oh, die. Die.
This ain't gonna work.
Die.
The potatoes got done real quick. I don't know.
Tell him. Talk to him.
It tastes alright without the sauce, but I mean, who just eats potatoes out the crab bowl without the sauce anyway? So I'm gonna taste it with the sauce. Oh yeah. Can't get it out.
Give me some over here.
It really is him. He ain't do nothing. Alright. I'm trying to pick up an onion with it, y'all. The onion be so good. The potato. I don't know about them potatoes. Some ain't right.
Hey, they fake or some shit.
Some ain't right.
They cook fast. You know, potatoes usually take time to cook.
Yeah, they got real tender, like really fast. I'm trying, but something ain't right with these potatoes. The sauce making it like, what you had tasted?
When you taste like that.
It comes with sausages, but we don't eat pork. Well, I eat pork sometimes. Tim and Makai, they don't eat pork at all. What? So he replaced it with chicken sausage. So I ain't really no review on the chicken sausage. We know how these taste. Oh shoot! I was supposed to taste it without it. Okay, I got it. You know, you taste the corn already?
It's too hot. It's too hot.
Corn is corn. The corn tastes pretty good. How much was this again?
I don't remember, like almost $20. Well, $20, yeah.
It was $20, y'all.
Oh my shit.
Oh, it's a good amount of shrimp in here. I think it's, how many shrimp you say it was? I don't feel like counting all these shrimp. I'm sorry, y'all. It probably was like 20 shrimp, but they're like this big. They're really small. I was like 20 shrimp. It was 4 corn. I don't know how many sausages because Tim replaced them. And it was, I think, 6 potatoes.
You got your shirt, show me.
You try to eat the potato. Hold on, let me get kind of sick. You try it, man.
It's hot.
You don't want this waffle thing you was eating earlier? Or that you didn't eat earlier? You don't want this waffle? Eat it. He like, that's not.
You don't want that.
He looking like that ain't what y'all eat. He been eating all day though, so he eats. He eats. He ate more than us today. Definitely more than you. This your first time eating there anyway. You ate that ice cream, man. What else?
Oh. Oh yeah, still the same. I did eat some money that thing.
Yeah, I actually I wanted to try to get another plate because I'm eating all of the stuff.
Oh yeah. Zoom in on that. Lovely.
The corn is straight though. The corn is good. It could be sweeter. Like I've had sweeter corn. What you think? You taste the corn yet? It's good.
Potato.
He was giving him a potato. I just love the sauce, y'all. I don't know my favorite part of it. I don't think. Oh, we did cook. I be trying to keep in mind for y'all to see the bone, but we can't really have it too close because high. But it's a good amount of shrimp.
For $20, it's a good deal. You get corn, shrimp, potatoes. You get a whole.
Then I don't like the potatoes though. If I like the potatoes, and if the shrimp had a shell, cause you know you gotta have them shrimp that you have to peel yourself. It's just, you know, you can't have no already peeled shrimp for no crab or. For $20, you could go to like Juicy Crab or Boiling Crawfish and get a little bag, you know. So.
Without without them shrimp.
They'll be bigger, but yeah, you get a lot of shrimp.
You ain't gotta grab it, bro.
Why you pulling the bone close?
Lord, help us, YouTube. That's good. The corn good though.
Yeah, I love his sauce. Okay, so this time you added brown sugar. We had some crabs, yeah. We had some crabs the day before yesterday, and he made the sauce for that. We was gonna review this with the crabs, but I'm glad we didn't, because we would have been here all night.
You know we don't like meat. Flawless.
He do that.
Flawless.
He don't like meat, y'all. He a self-made vegetarian. Yeah, I should have got. I asked him if he thought I should have got some more plates. Oh my god.
What you want out of there? You want to put that in there?
Nasty.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
But for $20, I don't know. For $20, I would say to just go to Juicy Crab or Boiling Crawfish. If they had more corn and the shrimp were bigger with shells, yeah. So it's basically the same thing as Boiling Crawfish. But I don't know, y'all still gonna be eating that? Cause y'all, I don't know who one of them where y'all from, but in Jacksonville,
you done with this?
I be seeing mostly like Korean and Chinese people running. So y'all still eating them after the pandemic? Is they eating them? Oh, come on. Well, you ate them, but you ain't get them.
I ain't never eat them.
Yes, I remember I got Boiling Crawfish. You had ended up eating the fixings from it.
When was this?
Bruh, this man ain't got no. Remember when I used to get that big old pan of snow crabs and you ate the fixings when we stayed over there in Orange Park? So you don't remember?
Oh, other boo thing.
But so you don't remember? For real? Bro, you ate the fixings, you ate the potato. Yes, you do. That's why you laughing. And that's hot to my baby.
It ain't hot.
He looking like it is. Well, you don't remember. Come on, are you that serious?
I just found out she cheated on me live.
He retarded. Like, we ate them for like twice. We went and picked up the food. Remember Chase was with us? And then we ate the one over there by the town center.
I might remember.
You do. You just want to play. He the only boyfriend I done had all my life.
Yeah, that part out. But on a scale of 1 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10,
well, yeah, scale of 1 to 10. But no guy did not put his waffle thing in there. Yo. That nasty guy. Oh.
Then he put the sausage that he had when he ate it.
What you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
On 12, 1 to 10, I give it a 6. I give it a 6.
What about the potato? No, look at each thing individually. Potato.
Okay, we do it individually. The potatoes, I'm gonna give them a 3. The shrimp, I'm gonna get.
I don't know what's wrong with the potatoes. Like, how you mix up potatoes? Maybe because they was froze. Like
I get it. I actually get a shrimp
potato.
7.5. Down there 8. You feel me? So it's like the taste, not the size. The taste. They're not bad tasting.
But it be frozen.
And the corn get an 8.
Yeah, we can't rate the sausages because we took them out, but I would give the shrimp like a 6. If the shell was on them, maybe a 7. The potatoes is like a 2. Like, let me taste it again. This potato,
I don't know.
It tastes a different one. It just ain't right. It's not right. The potato's not right. And we done had frozen potatoes now I think about it. Cause remember that little thing I be getting that he making the macaroni that he like? That I cook for breakfast. He don't know nothing. I cook for breakfast. It had all them different potatoes in there.
Oh yeah. A roast potato.
Like those good, right?
And
they don't cook as fast as these. They was good. But these, something wrong with them. If the potatoes was good, I'd get a whole thing.
It's like they probably cook them.
Like an 8.
They probably cook them and then freeze them.
If the potatoes was good, I'd get a whole thing like an 8. So I get a shrimp 6. Potatoes 2. The corn is like a 7.5 because it can be sweeter, but it's like edible. It's better than the corn that we had some corn for the. It's better than the one that we use for the crab legs. The sausages, can't rate the sausages. I told him because I don't eat pork, like I don't buy it, but I eat it like if I'm out.
What?
And I told him to leave it in the sausage review, but he wanted to be hard hit. So I wish it came with like 2 more corns. 4 is like decent though, but
it should have came with just as much corn as it came with potatoes.
I'm eating so I can eat this sauce.
Overall, what the boy get?
I told you. I said.
Not by individual.
I did, but I said a number. I don't remember what number I said, y'all, but I said 7. I don't remember what number I said.
Would you get this again?
No.
Yeah.
I was bad to you. Y'all still eating that, even though they're recommending we're not supposed to, due to the aroma.
People gotta eat.
Y'all gotta cook.
You getting it from the stove.
I know, but they saying like, well, somebody preparing your food, they saying you shouldn't do. Cause you don't know what a person. I think this the one that caught you though. Is it? It ain't got no skin on it.
I know.
So let us know if y'all still eating that.
I know how to spice it up a little bit.
Yeah, the salt, and it came with like a little seasoning packet. The seasoning packet was straight, and it smelled spicy. It didn't taste spicy, but it smelled spicy.
Now I know what to do though, cause they tell you to put one in there to boil it with one and sprinkle the rest, the whole thing on top of the rest. But you can boil it with 1 1/2 and use the last half to sprinkle on top of that. The water was still kind of clear, you know. I like that dirty water. And Florida crab water.
I just like the sauce. I got the sauce. You think beloved copywriters smack delicious. We need to try beloved sauce. I don't know. Just so we can compare it to yours.
I'm about to put you in the head like keep pinching me. Keep pinching me.
You got more shrimp. This is the one he bit. I just like that sauce. How you cut them up so small? You sure these want the pork one?
It might be. I cut it with little crumbs in there.
Oh, you had left some in there.
Like little small.
But how you put them in that? They ain't come in that bag. That red bag. You had to put them in that red bag.
I untied the bag and took them out. Untied it back in.
Yeah, I wish I liked the potatoes, y'all. This how they look. Maybe it's I don't know if it's the kind of potato that it is.
It actually look like the potato we got, but like I said, they probably cooked it.
But they don't feel like it either. Like they.
But
feel...
they cooked it and froze it, and we just heated it up, so that was already mushy.
I wish I liked potatoes because that'd give me something to eat the sauce with.
Or eggs.
Yeah, they ain't have no eggs in them, but I don't think they can't freeze the eggs.
Yeah. Or candy.
No, but y'all can buy the little eggs, the pre-boiled eggs. You know that?
Freeze yo.
That would probably taste nasty. I'm pretty sure you can, but that was it. You actually can. I seen a TikTok hack where they froze the egg and it looked like a boiled egg, but it was a frozen egg.
So it had white egg? Interesting.
But
You done?
can I stop? I was about to say something. You made me forget.
No. Wait, you trying to tell me to be quiet?
Tell him, say shh, shh, shh. Oh, why he do it like that? He grabbed his whole face. Like, shh. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe.
Leave your comments down below. Like below.
Let us know what other videos you want to see. Yeah, I love the U.S. Outsiders. I be watching their channel, so you be liking them. Really, I mean, really Chase. Yeah, I want to like these potatoes so bad. Like, I want to eat my something. But let me try it without anything.
Alright.
Okay, good. Alright, y'all. We gonna say bye.
Bye.
He know what to look to say bye to. Say it again. Your dad was blocking your hand. Say bye.
Bye.
You're so cute. Huh? I said you're cute. Say thank you. You got a big kid.